This is the Doom controller. But this isn't just any Doom controller. This is the limited edition Doom the Dark Ages controller. If you're a Doom fan or a collector or just appreciate awesome designs, then this will always remind you it's a good time to rip and tear. This controller has been made to celebrate the release of id Software Doom the Dark Ages. Looking at the box, you can see how nice this controller really looks. Let's peel away the sticker on the back and reveal the controller itself. So let's flip this over. We've got on the back this sticker we are just going to peel off. And you can see just from the box that this is gonna be a really cool controller. And if I open that up, oh my goodness, you've got a really cool design. And the artwork on the front looks amazing, but it does not do it justice compared to when you see it in the flesh. This controller is a real attention grabber, and at first glance, I would love to know in the comments what your favorite feature is on here. This controller is covered in matte green armor and also features the 3D silver helmet spikes and plated sheeting across the top. This is all inspired by the Doomslayer armor. Chris, if you can pop a picture here so we can see the Doomslayer next to the controller. This item also gives the feel of a mid-battle item with the blood spatter highlight here and the sinister red thumbstick that matches the Doomslayer's chest port. The green A, B, X and Y buttons are written in the Sentinel alphabet, and the Sentinels are a group of warriors central to Doom lore, and you'll learn more about that in Doom the Dark Ages. Then right here you have that iconic red mark of the Doomslayer, reminding you that the Slayer has entered the building. In the middle of the controller we have the view button, menu and the quick share button as well, which are in a grey that matches the rest of the armor. Flipping over so we can see the top of this controller, we have the orange trigger and bumper button for activating the sword shield. This looks really cool from the top view as well, because you can really see the difference in the triggers here. Also on the top, we then have the quick pair button, so we can pair this to an Xbox Series X or S, Xbox One, a Windows PC, Android and iOS mobile as well. We then have the USB-C port as well. And then on the other side, the triggers are that grey to match the rest of the top. Then flipping over to the back, we then have rubberized grips with a leather feel to help capture the spirit of the game's medieval future vibes. You also have the battery compartment on the back as well. And in here, you can pop AA batteries or an Xbox rechargeable battery, which will give you up to 40 hours of battery life. On the bottom, you have this little metal armor notch where you can then connect a 3.5mm audio jack, and you can use compatible wired headsets. So I said there's more to this controller than at first glance. The Doom the Dark Ages controller also includes a digital download for the Doomslayer execution skin on Xbox or Steam. If you're an Xbox player already, you probably have an Xbox controller already, but this controller is a great addition to any collection. It stands out with the way that it looks, but an extra controller also allows you to play games like Diablo 4 or Minecraft. If you're a PC gamer, then some games play better with controller, like Forza Horizon 5 or EA Sports FC 24. The Doom the Dark Ages controller would make a perfect gift for Doom fans. The controller with the right design really makes a more personal gift. Combining an Xbox controller with an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate membership gives you everything you need to enjoy cloud gaming across every major platform. You can play AAA titles across a range of different PCs, from budget-friendly PCs to high-end gaming PCs. Android and iOS smartphones and tablets, Samsung smart TVs, Amazon Fire Sticks, and coming later in 2025, LG smart TVs. As I said at the start of this video, this controller is limited edition, so don't wait around to grab one of these. Stay tuned for more unboxings and let me know in the comments below what game you're going to be playing first with the new Doom: The Dark Ages controller. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.